Hello everyone! Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Happy Saturday! Kumusta po ang inyong Saturday today? I hope you are all enjoying your day. Or if you are at work, sana po ini-enjoy nyo pa rin po ang day nyo sa work. Well, ako naman po, andito po ako sa park. Actually, it's a sports ground. So, I'm trying to jog. Trying. It's malapit na yung umulan. Pero, nakaisang ikot naman na po ako sa pagja-jog. So, andito po ako sa view na to. Yan. It was sunny earlier, guys. It was sunny, but it's still cold. But now, naging cloudy na po. At medyo umaambon na. Yan po inikot ko from there hanggang doon sa may kotse. Paikot. Yan. Ikot-ikot. Well, for those who don't know me yet, my name is Rosel, and I'm streaming live here on my personal page. Sa mga followers ko po, salamat po sa inyo at kindly comment below where you are watching me from, sa mga nanonood at sa mga magwawatch po ng replay. Sa mga nakakaalam po ng nangyari for the last week, that's why that was the reason why I'm only going live now after a week, because our baby Reese, our pet cat, a member of our family, died suddenly last weekend, and it is really painful and heartbreaking to lose someone so suddenly. Kaya po ngayon lang po ako nag-go live kasi I'm just so sad. At baka maiyak pa ako pag nag-go live. Kaya ayoko naman pong maano yung inyong araw. Gusto ko pong palaging ma-inspire kayo, ma-entertain or ma-educate while doing my go live. But yung reality of life, it always hit me. That life is so short. And you just need to enjoy every moment and spend your time with the people that's important to you. Ganon. Kaya, when my mom passed away a few years ago, I think it was 7 or 8 years, nearly 7 years ago. So, she also suddenly died of cancer. And yeah, very heartbreaking and so painful when you're losing a loved one. Kaya po, if you still have your parents, everyone you loved, just try to spend time with them while they're still alive. Yun po. So, I'm just grateful pa din na while I'm mourning, I have my business working for me. It's running in the background and it's producing good results. Kahit po hindi ako ganun ka-active sa pag-go live. Our team is getting a lot of business results. More people are joining in from Canada, from Australia, from USA, from the Philippines, from New Zealand, from UK, from Ireland, anywhere around the world, guys. It is loads of people are joining in because this business is a really good second income stream that you can switch to your main income stream once it's producing great results. The same way as loads of people in our community are only doing this online business and they're already quit their jobs. They're 2 to 3 jobs and they're just doing this business. And they are already achieved the dreams that they have dreamt before, like traveling without worries financially, and they are also buying real estate properties. They are helping a lot of people, like charity, scholarship funding, medical missions, and a lot more. So that's the beauty of this business. When you are already successful in this business, you can do a lot of things with the money that you're earning here, because it's not only commission basis. We also have these bonuses and incentives once you achieve a certain milestone. So yun po, kinakailangan po kapag free tayo, kinakailangan din po tayong mag-exercise to keep fit and healthy. Kailangan po, lalo po when we are medyo nagkakaroon na tayo ng edad, kahit batang ating puso at isipan, syempre kinakailangan pa rin fit tayo. And not only exercise, we need to eat healthily as well. Yung mga avoid too much junk food. So yun lang po. Thank you for watching, and I hope you are having a great day, guys. And see you again next time. God bless. Bye.